in addition to 18 or 24 colors video, I'd kind of introduce the idea of how to choose when there are two stuff. Alright, so there are two stuff, A or B. Alright guys, so there are two stuff. This is a 24 set colors, so we could call this as A, and when you minus these 6 colors, 11A, for example, 6 colors, pick up 5, 6. Alright guys, so it makes 18 colors set as you see on the board. Alright guys, so 18 or 24, and for example, the green tea chocolate or macadamia nuts chocolate. Alright guys, there are two chocolates. Alright guys, so when there are two, alright, how to choose? So when you make a choice, first of all, you need to look the detail of each stuff, each material. Alright, so this is the dark green tea chocolate. It's like the title is like a French chocolate, and the green tea means that green tea is very tended to be packaged like as this color. This color is the green tea color, green, moderate green, and this package uses gold as additional color. On the other hand, this one is macadamia nuts chocolate. It's like a American, South American style with this brilliant orange colors, like we could imagine the sunshine of their land. Alright guys, so these colors, when we looked closely in the detail, this package is kind of presenting the idea of these products. Alright, so these products, these chocolates, where are they coming from? Macadamia nuts, where it is coming, and green tea, it's from where? Alright guys, so these kind of ideas are in the package. We didn't even open the package, but when we look the package here, and we could distinguish this one from that one. Alright, there are some sense. Alright, there are some tension in between that makes a kind of different each other. Alright guys, so this is macadamia nut chocolate. This is the green tea chocolate. I could give you two chocolate at the same time together. But for example, if I ask you that you may make a decision making at the moment and which one you'd like to take. So when these questions coming into you, so what is your making, the process of decision making, how you choose, what the basic kind of basic decision making is where you are relying on. Alright guys, so maybe you like green tea as usual, but green tea chocolate isn't the same as green tea. So there is a combination of green tea and chocolate. So you probably don't know what kind of the taste is this, if you like or not. Alright guys, so macadamia nuts is also the combination of nuts and chocolate. So you like chocolate, but you may not know about the macadamia nuts, right? So these small packages have some kind of behind. There are ideas and concepts are in the package. And when we look closely, these two objects, products, from the start point of these presented colors, alright, these are green and gold, and these are red and orange. So what I mean, to look at things through the colors is like this kind of the way to approach the materials by colors. Alright guys, so colors are important in this sense. It's the important when you are forced to kind of making decisions spontaneously on that time. For example, would you like to have some chocolate, but which one would you like to take? If I ask these questions to you, then you may pick up this or that. But when you pick up this or that, there is a kind of decision making of yours always. So when you make your decision making, you may rely on this package that you can see. You can actually see the colors, obviously. So literally, you can choose green tea chocolate as this. You can imagine that the tea taste of green tea easily. And this macadamia nuts, you can easily imagine that that when you bite the chocolate, it's kind of hard and it's very good to eat when you are break as a. Alright guys, so these packages gives you some concept or idea, kind of delivery to you, the idea. Alright guys, so what I mean by that here in this video is that for the people who dealing with art, we see the things and materials, especially looking at the colors, especially looking through the colors, if you like. So when you are going to study art composition, and when you want to get some colors on your hand, as I said in the previous video, it's not necessary to have these basic 24 colors or basic 18 colors from 24 minus 11A, 30A, 37A, 45A, 53, and 151A makes 18 colors set. But it's not necessary you have this 24 or 18. But you can choose individually, pick up, for example, you can pick up green colors, gold colors, you can pick up red colors and orange colors. So if you like these colors, you can, from the beginning, you can get a lot of the colors around red, around orange. Alright guys, so these choices are yours. Alright guys, so the important is always what you are going to rely on when you make your decision making. Alright guys, this is K from Movie Tachibi. So, today new students, a lot of new students came in, so I'm going to ready for that. Over there, the teacher starts the explanation. Introducing the art composition. How to make your art composition. Over there. So, ciao, arrivederci.